I'm Mrs. Visalachi, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. Now we are going to see GK 7th Standard, Chapter 1, Pretty Blossoms. Daisies symbolize innocence and purity. In Norse mythology, the daisy is Freya's scarlet flower. The small white flower blooms each day at dawn. It is considered a weed as it spread quickly. Hibiscus is a genus of flowering plants in the Malvo family, Malvasia. The red and white varieties of these flowers used in hair care products. The garden pansy is a type of a large flowered hybrid plant cultivated as a garden flower. This flower has a 5 overlapping petals with distinctive face-like markings. Next name of the flower is tuberose. Plant tuberose bulbs outside after all danger of France has passed and daytime temperature remained above 70 degrees. This fragrant night blooming flower is known as Rajanikantha in India. Now, Dahlia. Dahlia is a genus of bushy tuberous perennial plants native to Mexico and Central America. These flowers with numerous petals are mainly cultivated for flower shows. The next flower is orchids. Orchids are one of the most beloved family of flowering plants. Orchid growing is one easy, expensive hobby for anyone and they make wonderful house plants. And a collection of orchids can provide year-round blooms. These flowers with innumerable hybrid varieties can survive in almost any habitat. Tulips. This cup shaped flower blooms in spring. Now, chapter 2, A Birds of Prey. A birds of prey is a large bird that hunts and eats other animals. It is also known as a raptor. Raptors have powerful hooks beaks for tearing flesh. They have keen eyesight for detecting food from a distance or from a height while flying. Raptors eat insects, fish, rodents, snakes, frogs, birds, and even small mammals. Raptors include species such as eagle, hawks, knights, falcons, vultures, and owls. Eagles are large birds with broad wings. The average wingspan of an eagle can vary from 1.8 to 2 meters. Bald eagles. The bald eagle built the largest nest because of the white feathers on its head. It is both the national bird and national animal of the US. Next, Stelis sea eagle is the heaviest eagle, weighing 5 to 9 kg. It has a dark brown feathers, white wings and tail. Its beak and sternums are yellow in color. Next, the Philippines eagle is considered the largest eagle in terms of length and wingspan. It is the national bird of Philippines. Kites have long wings and weak legs. They mostly eat rotten meat of dead animals. Some also insects, rodents, and reptiles. The red brown Brahmini kite found in India eats fish and cabbage. Now, hawks. There are more than 200 varieties of hawks in the world. They have excellent hearing and eyesight. Now, owls. Owls typically have a large round head with front facing eyes. They can rotate their heads by about 270 degrees. Now, falcons. Falcons have a large head, powerful short and noistic beaks, and distinct stripes below their eyes. They are powerful flights and divers. The last one is vultures. Vultures are large birds with a long wingspan. Since vultures have a weak feet, they cannot hunt food. They mainly eat rotten meat of dead animals. Now, Unit 3, the body machine. என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க? Babies are born with 300 bones, but many of them fuse together, and therefore, an adult has 206 bones. Now, the brain. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organ in the human body. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillion of connections called synapses. Next we can see tooth. Tooth enamel is the hardest substances in the body. The shiny white enamel that covered our teeth is even stronger than bone. The circulatory system is extremely long. That means a person's blood vessels could wrap around the planet approximately 2.5 times. At rest, our heart beats at a rate of about 60 to 100 times a minute. In an average lifetime, a heart will beat around 3 billion times. Now, skin cells. In fact, we shed about 40,000 skin cells every minute. But it's no skin off our back because our skin regenerates almost as quickly. Our skin fully renews itself every 35 days. Next, a healthy human eye has three types of cone cells, each of which can register about 100 different color shades. Therefore, most researchers ballpark the number of colors we can distinguish at around a million. Now, hair. The hair we see on every part of our body contains dead cells. That's why it does not cause pain when someone cuts our hair with scissors. Now, finally, just like unique fingerprints, Human also have a unique tongue print. Each individual has a unique organ in that it can be stretched out of mouth for inspection, and yet it is well protected in the mouth and every difficult to frog. Now we are going to see GK 4th chapter, enrich our language. Few examples of phrases which are joined with and. The first question is, this job is her bread and dash. He cannot leave it. The answer is bread and butter. Second one, I hope the chairman makes a dash and sweet speech. The answer is short and sweet. Third one, he is my flesh and dash. How can I neglect him? The answer is flesh and blood. Fourth one must look at the matter without any prejudice, fair and dash, and only then can move the right discussion. The answer is fair and square. The fifth and last one is, she left home dash and package after a quarrel with her parent. The answer is bag and baggage. The next one is, all these phrases have the word beat in them. However, they all mean different things. The some example is given. The first one is, whenever Darwell wants to talk business, he beats dash. Approach the subject indirectly. Now the answer is about the bush. The second one is, both Isa and I saw the rate of flour at the same time, but I beat dash. The answer is her to eat. The third one is, Nitish likes music because I saw him beat dash to the song. Mark or follow the rhythm by tapping the feet or finger. The answer is time. Fourth one, however much Fazil beat dash, he could not come up with a solution. The answer is his brains out. The last one is, the sun beat down all afternoon. Phrasely, radiate intense heat or brightness. The answer is down. In this session, we saw different types of topics: pretty blossoms, birds of prey, the body machine, and the last one is enrich your language. Thank you.